Yeah, we get that out of there.
Okay.
Well, to escape boredom, I saw this door here and thought, well, we have no wall, but we need a door for no wall. So here's the door for no wall.
It works just fine.
It works great.
Yeah.
You got to go through the door.
Installed by Joe Drum.
You gotta go through it.
Oh, okay. I gotta go through it.
Test it.
Here we go. It works.
There you go. You know.
And it's got its own built-in stop to keep it open.
Yeah, yeah. You know.
Yeah.
That took some really tough engineering to figure that out.
It was really just in the way, a bad idea. One of those thinking ideas.
Yeah. This is like I never drink at work, and I never. And what's the other part of that?
Oh, never at work and only after dark.
Right, and then I haven't worked in years, and this is dark beer.
Great. Oh, yeah, it was a bad idea. It really interrupted the traffic flow and everything. Everybody had to go
I don't
around.
know, man.
No, we got around just fine.
In worst case scenario, somebody could have gone sliding off in here, and
Yeah.
everyone's going to pull.
The backstop.
Yeah. The people catcher.
Did you build this ramp?
Yeah, we did that too.
Yeah, this was also Jerry's engineering idea. He said,
Well,
build a bridge across here.
My brother called me up and says, you can expect between 2 and 6 inches of rain. So I look out here and I'm thinking, 6 inches of rain, we need to be on this side of the ditch.
Yeah, of the river, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, so then the sand came from here to here, or the canopy.
Yeah, so
The tin went all the way
So
down
Joe
there.
and I, we fixed up the ditch. The plywood was already set here. I fetched a few of the timbers, and Joe did the building. It worked.
Yeah.